What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay, and if you don't say the day, then you ain't part of the gang. On fall now. So check it. Today, I'm just bringing a little smaller video, none too long, none too, too major. I just picked up, a little thing. I'm into building P80s, so I picked up a little thing that I feel that'll be more helpful. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So today I got the 2-in-1 Glock tool for Glocks, the Real Avid Armory combination disassembly and front sight tool. I feel this would be a good pickup for people that's into building or working on your own guns, take your guns down, changing out the triggers, changing out the sights. This would be a great tool, help you with everything. So it's a 2-in-1 tool that'll help with everything. So I'm gonna bust it open, show you guys how it look in hand. I'm just gonna cut it because I ain't trying to waste too much of y'all time. Anyway, when y'all start by the channel, here we go. Get it up out of there. Bam. Show you that right now. Real Avid 2-in-1 Glock tool, front sight tool, and it's a pin pushing tool. Bam. I know my hands a little ashy. I was barbecuing, washing my hands too much. You know how it happened. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on it, man. You ain't gotta beat me up in the comments. But check it. That tool right there. It's a great pickup, man. Y'all go ahead and get you one. Alright, and that's your boy Zay, back with another video. I want to let you guys know that at 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, man. I'm coming up I'm coming up quick. So y'all might want to be looking out, man. Follow me on all my social media platforms. On Facebook, Zari Rolling. On Instagram, Tarzan _X_. Snapchat, Zari Latray, ZAREELILTRAY. And be looking out for the giveaway because I might post it at the end of one video, but I'm gonna post it on my social media platforms first. I'm gonna post the code. It's gonna be a digital giveaway. First person get the code, first person win. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly when it, so you gotta tune into all my videos to find out when I'm doing that giveaway. And it's your boy Zay Day checking out. It's your boy Zay. And if you don't say that Day, then you ain't part of the gang. On for now.